I can make an original piece and then like nobody watches it. And I get like maybe 10 people, and then like maybe I get like 5 comments that are like, good. And it's like, okay, that didn't really tell me much. But like if you can do a piece of fan art in the same style, you could still get 10,000, 100,000 views. And like you can get comments that tell you, hey, I really like this part about it. I really like this part about it. Or maybe this part wasn't so good. You can actually learn a lot from that, getting that sort of feedback loop of like, not just what the comments say, but also how well the video does. You can understand what makes a good video as you start building up that sort of repertoire because there's an existing audience for it. When you ultimately want to create an original IP, what you need for that IP and for any video is an existing audience. And that existing audience is now the audience that you've built up who likes you for you. I want to make sure that people, when they watch my IP, are watching it because it's, you know, something that I made or something like that, right? It's like, oh, that's something that's interesting to me, but also I trust this guy to do something good.